Hello, everybody. Welcome back. This week, I want to tell you about the 7-year project that I have had in my kitchen that hasn't been started. 7 years, yes. So, let's get started. Okay, here we go. We have been in this home 7 years now. It's a 50-year-old home. It needed a lot of work when we moved in. So, as you may have seen in previous videos, we did a lot in the kitchen. We revamped it. But one of the projects that has not been done is to add shelving around my refrigerator. This is something I have wanted to do since we moved in, and I've had an idea, but I wasn't sure that I wanted to put it into action. So anyway, I'm going to show you now because I think I finally committed to it. Okay, so here it is. This beautiful, beautiful antique door, which is probably at least 100 years old. As you well know, as vintage collectors, we find things sometimes and we're not sure what we're going to do with them. And so we put them away for a little while. And then you're like, oh, I love this. What am I going to do with it? And then maybe you have an idea, but you're not sure that you can do it because what happens is it changes the entire piece. But what that is called is recycling, to be honest. And I like using in my home, I like using a mix of old with more modern styles, more newer styles. This door is everything I love in an older piece. It's got patina. It's got chippy wood on it. The color with the honey tones throughout it, with the little crackled paint coming off. It's just perfect. Now, this piece I have already outside 7 years ago. I cleaned it and then I sprayed it with a shellac so that the paint would not continue to chip off. And I think that's very important if you're going to be using a piece like this in your home. Obviously, it wouldn't be great for a cooking service or something like that, but for shelving, it's perfect. Now, here's the thing. This door is 32, maybe a little over 32 inches. The shelving that I need on the sides of my refrigerator are 16 inches wide. So this door is perfect. The color is perfect. Everything about it is perfect. But I wasn't sure that I wanted to cut it down the middle and use it for that, because once it's cut, you're not putting it back together. So I think I have finally decided that yes, I want to do that. It's perfect. It's exactly what I want. And otherwise, I'm going to sell this piece, and I think I would regret selling it. So that's where I am now, is taking this piece as soon as we can, getting my guy over here that can help me, cutting it in half, getting it attached on both sides of the refrigerator, and adding shelving in there. So I think it's going to be beautiful. And I also think it's going to help to frame out the kitchen and give it a more finished look. There's so many things still that I want to do in here, but this guy is going to be great. Also, already I can see the vision for it. It looks really beautiful here. And I think it will just be great. Number one, I'll have additional storage, and it's going to finish off this area here. So here's my question. What do you think? Number one. Number two, would you cut this beautiful door in half and use it for something like this? I need to know. See you guys soon.